Want to be your own boss? Control your own destiny? Imagine waking up every day knowing that you are in charge of your future. No more answering to someone else, no more mundane routines. Instead, you have the power to shape your own path and create a business that reflects your passion and drive. Before we continue, if you like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to get more content. Lastly, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I come up with a new bright idea to help you make money. Your support goes a long ways. The car cleaning business is your lane to freedom. It's not just about washing cars. It's about providing a service that everyone needs. Think about it. Cars are an essential part of our daily lives and they need to be maintained. A clean car not only looks good, but also feels good to drive. You can be the one to make that happen. Everyone needs a clean car. From busy professionals to families on the go, a clean car is a necessity. It's a reflection of pride and care, and in today's fast-paced world, people are willing to pay for convenience and quality. That's where you come in. You can be the one to provide it. With the right tools and techniques, you can offer a service that stands out. High-quality car cleaning supplies and equipment are your allies in this journey. They help you deliver exceptional results that keep customers coming back. It's hard work, no doubt, but every scrub, every polish, every detail is a step towards building something great. It's about dedication and commitment. The effort you put in today will pave the way for your success tomorrow. But the rewards are huge. Let's dive in. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing a customer's face light up when they see their sparkling clean car. Imagine the pride of knowing that you built a thriving business from the ground up. The financial rewards are significant, but the personal fulfillment is priceless. This isn't just about soap and water, it's about attention to detail and a commitment to excellence. It's about understanding the needs of your customers and exceeding their expectations. Each car you clean is a testament to your skill and dedication. It's about building an empire. A successful car cleaning business is more than just a job, it's a legacy. It's about creating a brand that people trust and rely on. It's about expanding your services, hiring a team, and growing your business to new heights. A brand, your hustle, your passion. Your brand is a reflection of who you are and what you stand for. It's about creating a unique identity that sets you apart from the competition. Your hustle and passion are the driving forces behind your success. With the right game plan, you'll be cruising to the top in no time. A well-thought-out business strategy is key to your success. From marketing to customer service, every aspect of your business should be aligned with your goals. Stay focused, stay motivated, and watch your business grow. Are you ready? Let's go. The journey to success starts with a single step. Take that step today and embark on an exciting adventure. The road ahead is full of opportunities and challenges, but with determination and hard work, you can achieve greatness. Let's make it happen. First things first, you need the right tools. No shortcuts here. Quality matters. Think about it. You're building a business. Invest in it. Start with the essentials. A powerful vacuum, a pressure washer, microfiber towels, and top-notch cleaning solutions. Don't skimp on these. Your tools are your partners in this game. Remember, a clean car starts with clean tools. Keep them organized and in top shape. It shows you're serious about your craft, and your customers will notice. Where will you set up shop? This is key. You need visibility. High traffic areas are gold mines. Think gas stations, shopping malls, busy streets. Get creative. Consider offering mobile services. Go to your customers. This adds convenience and sets you apart. Think outside the box. Dominate your territory. Don't be afraid to start small. A mobile setup is perfect for beginners. As your business grows, you can explore renting a space. One step at a time, you got this. Now let's talk money. Research your competition. What are they charging? Don't undervalue your services. Factor in your costs, time, and expertise. Offer different packages. Basic wash, full detail, the works. Give your customers options. This is Business 101. Value for their hard-earned cash. Remember, you're not just cleaning cars, you're providing an experience. Make it premium. Charge accordingly. Know your worth. Spread the word marketing your car cleaning business. You've got the skills, now shout it from the rooftops. Marketing is everything. Social media is your best friend. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, use them all. Post eye-catching photos of your work. Before and after shots are killer. Run promotions, offer discounts, get people talking. Word of mouth is gold. Flyers, business cards, local partnerships, explore every avenue. Be relentless, be creative, get your name out there, hustle never sleeps. Show me the money understanding your profits. Keep a close eye on your financials. This isn't just about making money, it's about building a sustainable business. Track your expenses, your revenue, everything. Use spreadsheets, apps, whatever works for you. Knowledge is power. Knowing your numbers will help you make smart decisions. Scale your business like a boss. Remember, profits are the fuel for growth. Reinvest in your business. Upgrade your equipment, expand your services. Always be one step ahead. Permits, licenses, and attorneys. Navigating the legal landscape of running a business can be daunting, but it's a crucial part of ensuring your venture's success. Let's break it down. Don't skip the legal stuff. It's crucial. Every business, no matter how small, needs to comply with local, state, and federal regulations. This means obtaining the necessary permits and licenses to operate legally. Permits, licenses, they vary by location. Do your research, contact your local authorities. Each city or county may have different requirements, so it's essential to know what's needed in your specific area. This might include health permits, zoning permits, or even special licenses for certain types of businesses. Get your ducks in a row. Start by making a checklist of all the permits and licenses you need. Organize your paperwork meticulously. This will save you time and headaches down the road. Consider talking to a lawyer. Legal advice can be invaluable, especially if you're unsure about the requirements or the process. A lawyer can help you navigate the complexities of business law and ensure you're fully compliant. They can guide you through the legal maze. Yes, it costs money, but think of it as an investment in your business's future. A lawyer can help you avoid costly mistakes and potential legal issues that could arise from non-compliance, but it's an investment in your business's future. Don't cut corners. Cutting corners on legal matters can lead to fines, penalties, or even the closure of your business. It's not worth the risk. Running a legitimate business builds trust. Customers appreciate it. It shows you're serious. When customers see that you've taken the time to ensure your business is legally compliant, it builds trust and credibility. They know they're dealing with a professional, and it protects you in the long run. Win-win. Legal compliance not only protects your business but also gives you peace of mind. Knowing that you're operating within the law allows you to focus on what you do best, running your business and serving your customers. Shielded from the storm. Business insurance. Accidents happen. It's part of life. Protect yourself with business insurance. Liability coverage is key. It covers you in case of accidents or damages. Talk to an insurance agent, get the right coverage for your needs. Don't learn the hard way. Peace of mind is priceless. Invest in it. Insurance might seem like an extra expense, but it's a safety net. It protects you from financial ruin. Don't gamble with your future. Be prepared. Start your engines. Your journey to car cleaning success. Welcome to the exciting world of car cleaning entrepreneurship. This is where your journey begins, and the road ahead is filled with opportunities and challenges that will shape your success. You've got the knowledge, now take action. It's time to put everything you've learned into practice. Start by setting up your equipment and making sure everything is in perfect working order. Your determination and preparation will set the tone for your business. The car cleaning business is your oyster. Every car that comes through your wash is an opportunity to showcase your skills and build a loyal customer base. Pay attention to detail and ensure every vehicle leaves looking its best. Happy customers are the key to your success. Hard work, dedication, and a little hustle will get you there. It's not just about cleaning cars, it's about building a reputation for excellence. Stay focused, work diligently, and always strive to improve your techniques. Your efforts will pay off in the long run. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges. Embrace them. Learn from them. Come back stronger. Every obstacle is a learning opportunity. Reflect on your experiences, adapt your strategies, and keep pushing forward. Your resilience will be your greatest asset. Success is waiting for you. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Each clean car and satisfied customer is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Keep your eyes on the prize and stay motivated. Now go out there and crush it. Your passion and hard work will drive your success. Approach each day with enthusiasm and confidence. The more effort you put in, the more rewarding your journey will be. The world is yours for the taking. The car cleaning industry is vast and full of potential. With your skills and dedication, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Dream big, set ambitious goals, and work tirelessly to reach them. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing advice. Let's go! Stay connected with us for more tips and strategies to help you on your journey. Together we can achieve greatness. Let's make your car cleaning business a roaring success.